Hello and welcome back again, my friend. As you see that the SP 500 here today, it fell down a lot as also we accepted before. We tell it to you when we break in here the double top here. I'm going to show it to you, but I want to show you something very important here. That way may I zoom out the chart like that. As you see, we got here a very big head and shoulder here. The neckline of it is down here at that level here, but that level here, it's very stronger level here. Exactly where is the market here? You see that green line here, is it at 43.27.2? As you see it, it's a very stronger level. Last time from here the market it reversed and now you are in it again. If you came and you extend it like that, as you see it, it's been touched here second time here. Now also we are here at the third time. Now either the SP 500 from here is going to go back up or is going to break it and to break for us that neckline of that head and shoulder here. I just show you here like that. If it's breaking the neckline which is down here at that level here, that's when the SP 500 is going to fall down more than that. It's going to fall down till here, exactly till that level which is down here. Can tell it even to you. Is it at 40.58.2? So what can we say? The market look very bad. That for long term, also we still here in the 4 hours, and 4 hours as me have been telling you is only for swing trading. So now here in smaller chart like that, as you see that the double top also we been talking about, as you see it here, it's breaking the neckline here, and the take profit for that one also we said it is going to be down here at that low which is here. It's bring it exactly today. Now at that level here, what shall we do? Shall we enter long now? And I'm going to tell you why me I tell you shall you enter long now, because we're going to come to it. But now here, shall you enter long at that level here, because it's a very stronger supply and demand zone? Yes or no? Not yet, my friend. There is nothing yet. You need to wait until the market give you here a clear price action. If it doesn't, there is no entry and you need to wait in more till you got a clear picture. Now we don't got nothing here. That man, the SP 500 is going to fall down more than that. Me, I just buy it today, but my buy it's only for long term. By the way, even you, if you want to join us for long term investment, you can join us in Discord via Patreon. The link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video, where we give a long term investment signals there. By the way, it's not expensive, it's only $5 that if you want to join us. So now at this time there is nothing. You need to wait till you got a clear picture, and today it's Friday. You know the market is going to be very flat, but we need to get here a clear price action till the market tell us that that's the right time for us to enter long. At this time we don't got nothing, and also we are in a very sharp falling knife. Now that knife it's need to touch the floor and it's need to bounce like that to tell us there is no more power pushing down, and the market is getting stable and it's getting ready to reverse, and it's need to give us here a price action, because I know there is a lot of people they telling you to enter from levels like that. Me, that's not my type of trading, or not my style of trading. Me, I'm waiting till the market tell me a clear price action. That was me, I'm waiting now. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the 4 hours, guys, as you see it, our indicator, it enter here at the oversold area. By the way, that indicator is very special setting. It's not a normal RSI. It enter here at the oversold area. That man is highly chance the market is going to reverse from here. Like last time here, as you see it, when it enter here to the overbought area, it reverse from there. Now what shall we do for us to enter more long? It need the market to tell us that. If it doesn't, there is no entry long. So us we still waiting. I'm talking here about people they are swing trading and using leverage. For those ones with long term investment, those ones they don't use leverage, and when there is a dip like that, is a very good opportunity for us to buy. That way me I buy it today. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see the coming news of today, for pictures get more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. Before we go into analyze the news which is coming today, the first thing why the market falls down today, because of fresh signs of tight labor or employment rate. It's become very bad. As you see it, it fell down to 201,000 and it used to be 221,000 or 221k. That way we saw the market, it fell down because that tight labor or tight employment, it gave the treasury yield a new high. And also we tell it to you in yesterday video, we told you the treasury yield is still giving us higher high. That means it's still going up because what the Fed said, and today the employment rate, it give it more power to go more higher, and that's what the market is telling us till now. Another thing very important here, the big tech, they started falling down, all of them, after the rise in treasury yield. It's bringing more pain to big tech or your stocks tech, let's say it like that, like Alphabet, Facebook, and those things. So the big tech is still falling down, they're still bleeding in the market. That's why we saw the SP 500 falling down today. Another thing very important here, that one here about semiconductors, even that one, it falls down today. Even that one is very bad here. Another thing is that one here, that one will get more problems today. As Cisco, they sold it by 28 billion today, and the investors, they are not happy about that deal. That's why everybody holding the Cisco stock sold it today. That way we saw that big dump today. The only one who gave us today a red day is FedEx. As you see it, FedEx, they end the day by 4%. That means FedEx is the only stock will go up today. So I think everything is too clear. We summarize everything for you here. Now let's go to see the coming news of today, guys. The coming news of today, guys, as you see it, we got something special. We just got that SP 500 global or S&P global service PMI. Let's see how it's going to come. If it came like that, maybe we're going to see the SP 500 try to reverse from there. But also we say that in the start of the week, people they been with us, they remember that we told you here about that table here. Also we said it like that when we close in Monday green, we told you we're going to see a very bleeding week, and that's what happened exactly. As you see, the VIX today, it go up. Yesterday we used to be 15, today we are 17.54. That means currency is getting more higher after unemployment or labor data it came today. That way we see the VIX it go back up, but also we still below than 20. That means there is nothing to make you worried, unless if we break in 20. And always remember that, guys, remember that very well. When there is a lot of bleeding in the market, it's a very huge opportunity. That's why me I told you, if you want to invest for long term, you can join us. The link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video. You're going to join our Discord where we give a long term investment, and we're going to tell you exactly when to sell and when to buy. We buy like that when there is bleeding, we started buying like they say, and when we are going to sell, we will tell it to you exactly. So if you want to join us, you can join us there, but it's up to you. By the way, it's not expensive, it's only $5. So I think everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see the SP 500 what it's doing today in 30 minutes for pictures get more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here we are in the SP 500 in 30 minutes. The last videos I told you we got here that megaphone here. As you see it, that the megaphone we're talking about, it's getting broke here at that level here. And I told you in the last video there is nothing to enter long here, unless if the market give you here a price action. So there is no price action, and as you see the market how much it fall down, the market still bleeding. So there is nothing to tell you to enter more long here. Market is still in a very free falling. There is nothing, so you need to wait till the market give you here a price action or market behavior here or investor behavior here. It's telling you the market will reverse like I would give us here before that head and shoulder here. Now we don't got nothing, also we are in a very free falling here. So guys, be careful, there is nothing yet, you need to be careful. Let's see our indicator what it's saying, guys. Our indicator, as you see it, is it down here at the over oversold area. That way also we don't use in technical indicators, we use in price action. And one of the technical indicators is the supply and demand zone and levels on the support and resistance. Me, I don't use them because those ones, they are made to be broken. As you look in here, let me show you here, that over here a support, and that one here, it's a support. As you see it, all of them getting broke. That one is getting broke here, that one is getting broke here. Look till where we are. That's why me, I don't use them, I use price action. I'm waiting here to enter long a price action, and that one here, it need to be here at the oversold area for me to enter long. If it doesn't, there is no entry long, and I need to wait till I got a clear picture. I know you're going to enter late, but like that you're going to enter with a trade got a high probability of gain. Not just put your money or throw it from the window. If you want just to enter from those levels, just go and give fire to that money. That's it. I think everything is too clear, guys. Here now let's going to see the Nasdaq 100, what it's doing today for swing trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Nasdaq 100. Over here, the Nasdaq 100, it's still holding that level here. Same like the SP 500, still holding that level here. As I've been talking about that level here, I tell it to you in the last video. I told you the high of it is it here at 14,710.7, and the low of it is it down here at 14,553.1. That the level me I told you. I told you came, you draw there a square like that, and also we waiting the market to go to it. I tell it to you when we used to have here the double top here, and I told you when it's breaking here, it's going to go tail down here, and that's what happened exactly, guys. That's the difference between us and other people. Us, we are professional people. That's the job of us. You can ask people in our Discord, in our Telegram. Us, we been in front of the chart 24/7. That's the job of us. That's where we're earning our living. So us, we don't earning money from YouTube or something. The channel is not even monetized. So maybe in the future. At this time there is nothing here. We need to wait until we got here a price action. Till now we don't got nothing, so us we need to wait more till the right time. Even if we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, I don't advise you to enter now. Unless for long term, you just go, depending on which broker you're using, you go, you're looking for triple Q. Depending on the broker you're using, you go, you're looking for ATF is named triple Q or QQQ. Then you're going to find that ATF and try to DCA slowly by slowly, because as I've been teaching you, when we are falling, that the right time to start buying. Every time when there is bleeding is a huge opportunity for you to become rich in the future. If you wait until it's breaking here or something like that, I'm talking here about long term, it's going to be very late. But now here also we need to wait in a price action till the market tell us to enter long. Till now we don't got nothing. I think picture is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying, guys. Our indicator, as you see it here in the 4 hours, it enter here to oversold area. Last time when it enter here, is it down here? Look at it, tell where it go up. Now you need a price action here to confirm for you to enter long. If there is no price action, there is no entry, so you need to wait in more till the right time. So I think everything is too clear. Now let's go into see in 30 minutes what the Nasdaq 100 doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here, same thing. It's only for scalping and day trading. I've been talking with you about that, and that the megaphone may I show you in the last video, like that, and like that. I do it like that exactly. Look at it, it's breaking here. The first time it's breaking here, it gave us here a small fake out, but now it's breaking here. Look at it, tell where it fall down. At that time, what should you do? Should you enter long, because you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone? Should you enter long? Not yet, my friend. You need to wait until the market give you here a price action. Till now us we still in a free falling market, a free falling knife. You can't catch it. It's too dangerous to catch a falling knife, and that's what the market telling you here. You are in a falling knife. It's impossible to catch it now, unless if you want to lose all your money. That's another story. But for scalping and day trading, you need to wait in the market to give you a price action here, telling you the market is going to reverse. If there is no price action, there is no entry long and no entry short. Even the short now is too dangerous to enter short now. Short it's being from here. When the market gave us there, that head and shoulder will give you enter short. At this time, it's too dangerous here. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator it give you here at that level a small divergence here as you see it. Should you enter? Not yet, my friend. Tell the market give you here at those levels here a very clear price action. If there is no price action, there is no entry long. So you need to wait more. Now let's go in to see the DXY or US dollar what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the DXY in the 4 hours is only for swing trading. By the way, you watching me now. Are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. You done it? Welcome to the family. So here in the DXY guys, look at it, how me I do it. Also we are here in a very stronger supply and demand zone. DXY today gave us here a new high at that level here, and look at that trend line me have been talking about. You see it or not, that one with white here, how sharp it is now. Should we enter short now? Because us we just touching here a very stronger supply and demand zone. Should we enter short? No, my friend, there is no enter short yet. Me have been talking about that level here, it getting broke here, and I told you the market it fall down, it tested and give us here a new high. Look at it, still giving us a new high. Should you enter short? Always if the market fall down and breaking down here, or give us here a price action. Till now there is no entry short. Yes, also we got here a divergence like that, but there is no entry short in the DXY. You need to wait until you got here a clear price action. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, you see it guys. Look at it here. You got a very clear divergence here. As you see it. Should you enter short? Not yet. Tell the market, tell it to you here, give you here a price action or breaking down here the trend line. That's the right time for you to enter short. At this time there is nothing, so you need to wait in more till the right time. Everything is too clear. Now let's go in to see the DXY what it's doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here in the last video I was showing to you like that high here and down here. I told you we got here a very clear megaphone. Yes or no? It's breaking here at that level here as you see it. Now the market here in 30 minutes it gave us here a double top here and it's breaking here the neckline which is here. Let me zoom it to show it to you. As you see here that the double top which is here and it's breaking the neckline which is down here. Now it go back and test it here. If the market fall down and breaking that last low which is here, you can enter short here in 30 minutes me I'm talking. If the market fall down from that level where we are now here, exactly here, and breaking that last low which is here, you can enter short because the market is going to fall down to touch that low which is down there. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying guys. Our indicator, look at it by your eye. You got here a very clear divergence like that, and you got here a double top like that and it's breaking the neckline. Now it go back to test it here. Maybe from here it's going to fall down guys. So everything is too clear. Now you focus it about that level which is here at that zone here. You see it? That one here. You focus it about it. If you're going to break it, you enter more short guys. So everything is too clear. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much my friends. See you in another video guys. Bye for now.